Sound 1, 2, 3. How do we cook the cauliflowers? First of all, we are cutting in them small pieces like this. The easiest way to cook cauliflower. This is the subject of the video. I cut it like this, small pieces, like this. These are optional. They are very fresh. That's why I am going to put that inside of the boiling pan. This will be our pan. I will put them inside of it. All inside. Okay, now some salt. If you like it very salty, you can put extra salt. This enough. To easy cook, I'm going to boil some water to put inside of the pan to make it easier and faster. Now, the water boiled in the kettle. Now we pour it on top of it slowly. Slowly. Okay. Let it cook. Let it cook 10 minutes. 10 minutes. The whole process is maximum 30 minutes, but you can make it shorter. When it's ready, eat it with some sauce. Good appetite. Appetite. The easy way of cooking cauliflower. You see, it's 6 minutes now, the high temperature, high fire. You see, it should be like this. After it's ready with the sauce, we gonna eat it. If you are not sure if it's cooked or not, you can check it with the fork. Okay? Like this. Or you eat one of that. I think this is cooked. It's ready. About to, let me check. Okay, one more minute, then it's finished. Okay, it is ready. Now, it's up to you. You can use any sauce you would like to. Yogurt sauce, herbal sauce, tomato sauce, garlic sauce, any sauce, any sauce. You see, it's ready. And when you make your sauce ready, you can serve it in nice design and make people happy. Okay. Or you can just eat it like this. Healthy food. See you next time. Next time. And thank you for Gitre for telling me how to cook. Kisses. This is just an idea that you can use a sauce for your cauliflower.